मुझे पहाड़ बहुत पसंद हैं। पहाड़ों में जाके एक अलग ही पीस मिलती है। माइंड बिल्कुल फ्रेश हो जाता है। योर फ्यूचर इज़ क्रिएटेड बाय वॉट यू डू टुडे, नॉट टुमारो। अगर तुम लोग भी और लोगों से आगे पढ़ना चाहते हो, तुम मोटिवेशन नहीं कंसिस्टेंसी पे ध्यान देना होगा। तुम लोग एकदम सही वीडियो पे आए हुए हो। इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब किए बिना मत जाना।
What if I told you that you can also create this type of professional YouTube video without a camera, without a microphone, and without any editing software? I know it sounds impossible, but in this video I will show you that how Google latest AI tool can create an entire video just from a script. And the best part, you can create a video in less than 10 minutes. So for creating this type of videos, today I am going to use Google Flow, which is an AI tool of Google. So for creating this type of videos, you just need a pro version of Google Flow. So to get the access of pro version, you need to recharge your GeoSIM and you are easily able to get the access. So now let's understand that how you can create this type of videos. So firstly, you need to sign in your Google Flow account. So firstly, you need to come to Google and you just need to type Google Flow, and this is the main website of Google Flow. Okay, you just need to simply click. Okay, and after that you just need to sign in your Google Flow account. Okay, so after signing in your Google account, this type of interface will come. So in this interface, you just need to click on the new project. So after clicking on new project, this type of interface will come. So in this, what you need to do, you just simply need to click on the positive sign, and after that you need to click on the avatar. So after clicking on the avatar, you need to make your avatar in this. So to make avatar, you need to follow some instructions. So firstly, it will click some of your photos, and then you also need to speak some numbers so that it will record your voice to make the exact replica of you. So after making your avatar, you just need to click on add to prompt. Okay, so I have already made my avatar, so I'm not doing again this work. Okay, so after making your avatar, you just need to click on add to prompt. So now in this, you need to give a prompt. So there are different types of prompt which is already available in this YouTube video. So you can copy from there. Okay, so after just copy, you need to click here. Okay, you need to paste it here. So this type of prompt I'm taking, there are different types of prompt that is already available in the description box. You can copy any one of them. Okay, and you just need to click, you just need to paste it here. Okay, so before giving a prompt, you just need to write at the rate. Okay, so when you write at the rate, this type of interface will come. So you just need to click on me. You can easily able to see this is the photo. So you need to click on this photo. Okay, after clicking on this photo, you have chosen your avatar. Okay, so now you can see there are the script section. So in this, you need to give your script. Any type of script you can write here. Okay, so I am writing, I'm giving some script. Okay, you can also give your script in Hindi as well as in English also. Okay, so currently I'm giving my prompt in Hindi, so that's why I type here that I am giving my prompt in Hindi. Okay, so you can change your language. Okay, so currently I am using Hindi, so I am just giving some any type of prompt you can give. Okay, so I have given my prompt. Okay, so after giving your prompt, you just need to simply enter. Okay, so this is the only work that you need to do. And so after this, you don't have to do any type of work because all the work has been taken by this AI tool. So now you need to wait for 2 or 3 minutes. After 2-3 minutes, it will create a professional YouTube video for you. So guys, now you can easily able to check that our Google Flow has make a professional video for you. So firstly, what I need to do, firstly, what you should need to do,
तुम लोग एकदम सही वीडियो पे आए हुए हो।
uh, just wait a
इस
minute.
चैनल को
So firstly, you need to download it from here, okay? Because in this Google Flow, it will hang sometime, okay? So firstly, download your video, okay? So currently you can see I am downloading my video, okay? So this is my first video that I have downloaded. Now let's move towards our second video. So you can also need to
तुम लोग
download.
एकदम सही वीडियो पे आए हो.
So now you can see that I have downloaded my both videos. So let's move forward to see that which type of video our Google Flow has generated. So guys, now you can see this is our video which Google Flow has generated for us. You can see the background, you can see my face, you can see my clothes. Everything looks so much professional. So let's move towards the video. Okay, so now I'm going to start the video.
तुम लोग एकदम सही वीडियो पे आए हुए हो. इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब किए बिना मत जाना.
Okay guys, so this is the video that Google Flow has generated. This is the second video now, and now let's check out this video also.
तुम लोग एकदम सही वीडियो पे आए हुए हो. इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब किए बिना मत जाना.
Okay, so now you can see that this video has completed in only 7 seconds, so 3 seconds left. So you can increase your script length. Okay, so this is what we are able to understand. Okay, so yes, this is all about for this type of videos. You can easily able to create this type of videos. So this is different type of ratio. You can change your ratio from here. If you want a full length video, you just need to click on 16:9 ratio. There are two type of ratio. First one is your for shorts video, and second one is for long format. Okay, and at this time you can see I have the Google Flow has generated only 2 videos. You can also generate 4 videos at a time. Okay, and the time limit to make this type of video is 10 seconds. Okay, so this is all the things that is available in this Google Flow. So yeah, this is all about for this video. You are easily able to understand that how you can create a professional YouTube video for your YouTube channel. Okay, and all the prompts, there are different types of prompts that I have already uploaded in my description box in this YouTube video description box. So you can check out all the prompts from there. And if you really like this video, then don't forget to like this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel, and please give a very sweet comment in my comment section. Okay, so this is all about for this video. Thanks for watching.